Rain, sulitin ko na habang medyo lasing-lasing ka pa na konti.
No, 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 no.
One Night Ultimate Werewolf. Nasabihin ko? Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Rain and thank you for watching another episode of PS Games Philippines. Today we are playing One Night Ultimate Werewolf with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 players. Let me introduce the players. Let's start with Sheka, Itlog, Skido Levino, Noob Ambassador, and I will be playing for this game as well. And today, who will be moderating? Sandman!
Alright. Thank you very much, Ray. Panalito ka pa doon sa last part. Yes, we are playing One Night Ultimate Werewolf with somewhat basic rules. For this game, we have a werewolf, mystic werewolf, apprentice seer, robber, witch, troublemaker, insomniac, and tanner. Since 5 players lang, we're putting the tanner back in. Let us start the game. Guys, put your mics.
Everyone, close your eyes.
Everyone, wake up. Okay, I'll make it a 5-minute game ulit since lima lang kayo. We are catching walang assassins pero may tanner. Try to catch at least one werewolf. Good luck.
Wow, no one's talking. Interesting.
So we're
am going
the Mystic Werewolf.
Yeah, right.
Mystic Werewolf ka?
I am
He's
the Mystic
stuttering.
Werewolf.
No,
Pinalitan ko card mo eh.
I saw Itlog is a witch.
Pinalitan ko card mo eh.
I saw Itlog is a witch.
Uh-oh.
Yes,
I
I am a
am the
witch.
Mystic Werewolf.
May card akong nilagay kay NA.
Okay.
Hindi po nag-lag si Itlog. Talaga tahimik lang lahat. Okay.
Hindi
I woke up
naniniwala
with-
sa akin.
No, I woke up with, naniwala ka, I woke up with NA. We're the werewolves.
Huh?
Yeah. Mystic siya, ako regular.
I'm so confused. All of you are lying, I think.
So nominate na natin si NA kasi witch talaga ako tapos totoo yung sinasabi niya.
Wait, if you're really the witch, you check a card on the middle pile, and what is that card? And what did you give? What did you give?
Troublemaker. Nilagay ko kay Rain.
So hindi na ako werewolf.
Yeah, let's nominate NA.
Okay.
3 nominations. Enough.
May robber pa.
Teka, para blackmail
Under
ka.
rubber.
And Shake is like so quiet.
Under rubber.
Wait,
Wait lang, sorry.
Wait, who did you
Sorry
rob,
guys,
Shake?
under rubber.
It's too late for you to speak. Wag niyo nang
Under
pakinggan yan.
rubber. And I rub it.
O diba? Too late for you to speak.
Under rubber and I rub NA. Kaya
Ba't mo aminin yun?
Parang stuttering. I don't know, dude.
Ba't mo aminin yun?
I rub NA.
It's unbelievable.
I rub
Itlog
NA.
naniwala agad sa akin. Tapos na usapan.
Really, I rub NA.
And nominate NA still.
Teka lang,
Yeah,
baka...
tapos na usapan.
Teka lang, baka sinabi mo lang nilagyan mo ako. Malay ko, kakampi ko pa pala si NA. Hindi mo talaga ako nilagyan ng card.
Which nga ako, confirmed na nga ni NA.
Wait. So,
Oo nga, pero totoo
Rain,
nilagay mo sa
Rain,
akin.
bakit sinasabi mo na parang nagbabias si Itlog?
Alam mo, Itlog, kahit umami na ako werewolf, ayaw nila ako i-vote.
No,
Bakit
hindi.
bino-vote out ka ni Itlog? Bakit?
Wait,
Bakit
one of you is the tanner. Why would you really
Okay.
want to be voted out?
No. He said
Kasi ka NA sana.
NA.
Kailangan ko ng power of muting,
2 minutes
Sadman.
left.
Make
2
me
minutes left.
co-host.
2 minutes left.
Sure ka, Itlog, ha?
Oh,
Sige.
Ayaw
ano
ni Skido,
nagising.
pangatlo. Consecutive.
Wait, is Sheikah acting like a
Ah.
tanner? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm the robber.
I said tanner.
I'm the robber.
Yeah, mabit.
Who did you rob,
Sheikah,
Sheikah?
robber.
Who did you rob?
What's your role, Skido?
Huh?
Sheikah, robber.
I'm the insomniac.
Ah.
Sorry,
Did
I'm
the
not
change,
into-
ba?
Yeah. Still the boring insomniac.
Bakit taga-rubber si Sheka?
I'm the robber. Oh my God.
Malamang tanner yan. Let's go
Hindi.
for NA na.
Walang maniniwala
Wait, I don't know who to
sa akin.
vote. I
Ano?
don't know who to vote.
Sinong nirab mo? Si
1
NA,
minute
and
left.
alam mong
1 minute left.
Wait. Ayun yung maniwala sa akin na. Okay. Asterisk, werewolf, mystic werewolf, apprentice seer, robber.
No. Sinong nirab mo? Sinong nirab mo?
Check
Sinong
out.
nirab mo? Sinong
And then
nirab
I
mo?
asked Sandman, ha? Bagong
Sinong
role?
nirab mo?
He said yes. NA.
Wait, I'm so
Edi-
confused.
Sige, mag-NA na lang tayo. Hindi ko maintindihan si Sheka.
Bakit ka aminin yun, no?
30 seconds left. 30 seconds
Hindi
left.
siya, itlog, hindi siya tanner. Tanner ako.
Tanner ka?
Noob Ambassador, you know that you can vote for
Nice.
yourself, right?
So, kung ikaw yung tanner, the safe na pala.
So si Sheikah then.
15 seconds.
So,
Baka
either
si-
totoo.
Baka si
Itlogis
NA
na.
yung robber, tas nirab niya yung tanner card.
I think si Rin nga yung tanner.
5.
Hindi, sinabi ko na
Safe.
tanner ako.
Sige, pananalunin na lang natin sino ambassador.
Sige
Alright,
na nga,
that's
sige.
it.
Para naman maniwala tayo
It's
kay
been
NA.
5 minutes. Hands down. Remember, if you feel that both werewolf cards with me, vote 0. Kailangan ko lang makatid votes. And regardless if you feel that you're the tanner or not, you cannot vote for
Parang
yourself.
natatawa si Sandman.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
nirab ako
Sabay-sabay
ni
kayo mag-vote.
Sheka.
Counting down 3, 2, 1, vote. Show your hands, please. Nope, no, but I won't count that. You can vote for yourself. 1, 2, 3,
Vote me, baka
4.
tanner.
Sige, not
Sorry.
counting that. Everyone, literally everyone voted for the ambassador. Sige. Okay, when the game started, Skido was a werewolf and nirab siya ni Sheka. Sheka became the werewolf. Robber talaga si Sheka, nirab niya si Skido. Skido ended the game as the robber. Itlog, tama, which si Itlog, kinuha niyang card is, what did he send Itlog? Select the card,
Troublemaker.
okay?
Like I said,
Troublemaker. Binigay niya yun,
telling the
Guys.
truth.
binigay niya yun kay Sheka. So Sheka, you ended the game as a troublemaker. Rain, you are the tanner the entire game. You
I
lost.
hate you.
That alone, I could end the game. Pero yes, New Ambassador was the Mystic Werewolf. Good job. Pambira na talo. Ay, hindi. Talo pala si Rain. Yes, talo si Rain.
Talo si Rain, sabi ko siya, I will end your career.
You itlog.
Yes, so just for the
Pinanalo ko
record,
si Skido. I knew.
originally, card 1 was Insomnia, card 2 was Apprentice Seer, card 3 was the Troublemaker, pero again, ginawa ni Itlog yung card 3, pinigay niya kay Sheka, so si Sheka naging
Troublemaker.
troublemaker
Panalo
at the end. Panalo rin si Sheka at the end.
Sheikah, you should thank Itlog. Like Itlog
I
gave you the
hate
win.
you. I hate you, itlog. I hate you.
Ba't ka pala naniniwala kay Itlog? Ikaw na nagsabi.
Kaya naging good kayo na si Ray. Kaya pinipilit niya pa kanina na, no, bakit pa, parang gusto niyo pang magtawag ng votes eh. Pero nung kala nito to nagsasabi ng totoo si Itlog, okay, sige, then let's vote. Wala na tuloy nag-vote kay Ray.
Si Itlog nag-isip muna eh. Ano pa ba ibang pwede niyang gawin kung hindi Mystic Werewolf?
Kaya nga eh.
Ba't niya sinabi yung role ko?
Nung inamin ni Ray, sabi ni Ito, okay, then we're safe. So, kala ni Ray, good pa rin siya. Anyway, so yes, guys, the village won. At the end of the game, isa na lang yung werewolf and na-vote out pa siya. Literally, everyone voted for the werewolf. Literally. Anyway, werewolf for werewolves, wake up. Werewolf team, wake up. Look at the camera. Kung mag-isa ka na, you can pick a card. Kung dalawa kayo, I'm kidding tayo. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Alright. The werewolf team. Let me wake up now. Kung meron man, the Mystic Werewolf. Mystic Werewolf, wake up. Who would you like to check the role of a player? As of right now, this player's role is this one. Backlead Mystic Werewolf. Apprentice Seer, wake up. Apprentice Seer. Okay. Pick a card, 1, 2, or 3. That card is the one. Right. Next, let me wake up the robber. Robber, wake up. Alright. Pick a player. You are robbing this player, right? Is yung role at pinili mo na ang magiging robber. Backflip or murder. After ni robber, witch, wake up, witch. Okay, pick a card, 1, 2, 3. Alright, who will get this? Anyone including yourself. Backflip witch. After ng witch, top banner. Again, 4 5 lang kayo dyan. Let's see, malay mo, nabago na yung card mo. If you still have the Tanner card, you want to leave it. That's it. Go back to sleep. Good luck. Rain, congratulations. Well, hindi ka naman werewolf, pero you still lost. So please close the game since you opened it. Go ahead.
So that was another game of One Night Ultimate Werewolf. If you like this video, you may like it or not. You may also subscribe. You can also hit the notification bell. See you next time.
Stack Winter. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.